This is Mtwapa Creek in Kenya. For years, poverty forced families here to cut mangroves for charcoal. 18% of Kenya's mangroves have disappeared since 1990, but the Kidongo Women's Group decided to change that. With support from Conservation Nation's 2025 Conservationist Grant, we built a community nursery. Women collect mangrove propagules, prepare them in bags, and care for them for 3 to 4 months. We've grown 8,000 seedlings so far, working toward our 20,000 tree goal. Then comes the hard part, planting in the mud flats. And yes, we get stuck in the mud. Through our integrated approach funded by Conservation Nations, combining fish ponds and proper spacing, we've achieved 85% to 90% survival rates. I'll never forget my first planting day. I sank knee-deep in the mud and needed 3 women to put me out. The Kidongo women laughed and said, "Now you are really a mangrove conservationist." Conservation Nations grants enable a mangrove gold beekeeping enterprise. We purchased 15 beehives and trained women in sustainable honey production. Women's income jumped from $3 to $15 per day. This is the CN grant's impact, transforming conservation into sustainable livelihoods. Thanks to Conservation Nations, 8,000 seedlings are thriving. That's 40% of over 20,000 tree goal achieved. Bird species increased 25%. Fish population rebounded. Carbon is being stored. Most importantly, 51 women are leading change. Conservation Nations believe in community-led solution, and this is what is possible.